Joe Rogan's bow hunting diet for lean dads. Over 40 is legendary. You've probably heard about the Joe Rogan diet. He's famous for eating wild game, packing in high protein, and fueling insane energy even in his 50s. But here's the question: how can a regular dad, without bow hunting elk in the mountains, actually follow that same style of eating? Today, I'll break down Joe Rogan's bow hunting diet for lean dads and show you how to apply it using affordable, everyday foods that protect muscle, boost energy, and burn fat after 40. Why? Listen, this is DadBod40, the channel built to help men over 40 lose fat, rebuild muscle, and take back their energy without wasting time or money. I've studied Rogan's approach, filtered out the hype, and adapted it into a practical system for busy dads who want to look and feel younger. Roadmap. Here's what you'll get in this video. First, the principles of Rogan's diet and why wild game works so well. Second, the best alternatives you can buy at your grocery store. Third, how to structure your meals for fat loss, energy, and muscle. And finally, a full one-page action plan so you can start this today. Stick around to the end, because I'll also bust some common myths that keep men over 40 stuck when it comes to food. Why it matters. After 40. Once you hit 40, your body doesn't respond to food the way it used to. Testosterone levels drop by about 1% each year. Recovery slows, insulin sensitivity decreases, and muscle loss, called sarcopenia, creeps in faster than you realize. If you eat like you did in your 20s, with pizza, soda, and fast food, you're stacking the deck against yourself. That's where the Joe Rogan diet comes in. It's not about elk or fame. It's about eating high-protein, nutrient-dense foods that protect your muscle, improve your recovery, and keep your energy stable all day long. 1. Build the foundation with wild game, or lean alternatives. What? Make protein the centerpiece of every meal. Rogan eats elk, venison, and other wild meats. Why it works. Wild game is naturally lean, packed with protein, and loaded with nutrients like iron and zinc, both crucial for testosterone, energy, and recovery. How to do it? If you can, try venison, elk, or bison from local butchers. If not, stick to lean grass-fed beef, turkey, chicken, or salmon. Build each plate with 30 to 40 grams of protein. Practical example: instead of fast food burgers at lunch, prep ground bison patties with roasted broccoli and sweet potatoes. Pro tips: cook 2 to 3 pounds of meat on Sunday for easy portions. Rotate protein weekly to avoid boredom. Don't drown lean meats in heavy sauces. Track. Write down grams of protein per day. Goal: 0.7 to 1.0 grams per pound of body weight. 2. Pile on the vegetables. What? Rogan loads his plate with vegetables. Why it works. After 40, digestion slows and inflammation rises. Veggies provide fiber for gut health, vitamins for recovery, and antioxidants to fight joint pain. How to do it. Eat 2 cups of vegetables at lunch and dinner. Mix color: spinach, peppers, carrots, mushrooms, broccoli. Roast a big tray twice a week. Pro tips: frozen veggies are fine. Avoid pre-sauced bags. Blend greens into smoothies if you hate salads. Keep pre-cut veggies ready for quick snacks. Practical example: smoothie with spinach, blueberries, almond milk, and protein powder at breakfast. Salmon with roasted zucchini and mushrooms for lunch. Track. Half of your plate should be vegetables. 3. Use smart carbs to fuel workouts. What? Rogan times his carbs strategically. Why it works. Carbs aren't the enemy. They fuel workouts and recovery. Whole food carbs like oats, rice, and fruit digest slowly, avoiding blood sugar crashes. How to do it. Eat carbs around workouts. Fruit pre-workout, rice or sweet potatoes post-workout. On rest days, lower carb intake. Rely on oatmeal, potatoes, and fruit instead of bread or pasta. Pro tips: skip sodas, pastries, and white bread. Fruit is your friend, not your enemy. Practical example: oats with berries before training, chicken with rice and broccoli afterward. Track. Monitor energy after meals. Adjust carbs if you feel sluggish. 4. Add healthy fats for hormone balance. What? Rogan includes healthy fats daily. Why it works. Healthy fats support testosterone, brain health, and joint function. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and support heart health. How to do it. Snack on almonds or walnuts. Cook with olive or avocado oil. Eat salmon twice a week. Pro tips: don't overdo nuts. Calorie dense. Limit processed seed oils like corn or canola. Practical example: eggs cooked in avocado oil, half an avocado. Salmon with asparagus and olive oil. Track. Weigh weekly. If fat loss stalls, cut 100 to 200 calories of fat. 5. Structure your day. Like Rogan. What? Rogan's consistency is the secret weapon. Why it works. Most dads fail due to chaos. Grabbing snacks, skipping meals, or relying on fast food. A routine removes excuses. How to do it. Eat 3 to 4 protein-centered meals per day. Rotate simple, go-to meals. Prep lunches and dinners ahead. Pro tips. Store meals in glass containers. Use spices to keep meals exciting. Practical example. Day of eating. Breakfast. Smoothie with protein powder, spinach, almond butter. Lunch. Bison burger, roasted peppers, quinoa. Snack. Hard-boiled eggs and an apple. Dinner. Grilled salmon, sweet potato, broccoli. Track. Prep at least 10 to 12 meals weekly. That's 80% of your week covered. Mini case study. Mark, 46, swapped fast food lunches for a Rogan-style prep. Venison chili, roasted veggies, protein snacks. In 8 weeks, he lost 12 pounds, lifted heavier, and ditched his 3 p.m. crash. He didn't need elk, just consistency. Daily, 30 to 40 grams of protein per meal. Half veggies, quarter protein, quarter carbs. Fats, olive oil, nuts, fish. Meal prep twice weekly. Track protein plus weekly weigh-ins. Weekly schedule. Sunday, cook 2 to 3 meats plus roast veggies. Weekdays, eat prepped meals. Saturday, try one new recipe, venison chili, bison steaks. Start. Today, swap your next dinner for lean protein plus 2 cups of veggies. Before we wrap up, let's hit a quick lightning round of FAQs. I know guys ask about the Joe Rogan diet. What if I can't find wild game? Use lean beef, bison, or turkey. Do I need supplements? Not if you're consistent, but vitamin D and fish oil may help. Won't protein hurt kidneys? Healthy men tolerate 2 grams per kilogram safely. Can I do this on TRT? Yes. It complements recovery and strength. Cardio or lifting. Lift at least 3 times a week and add cardio for heart health. And let's bust a few myths while we're at it. Myth: only elk makes the diet work. Fact: bison, turkey, or lean beef are just as good. Myth: carbs make you fat after 40. Fact: smart carbs fuel workouts and protect muscle. Myth: meal prep takes too long. Fact: 2 hours on Sunday saves days of stress. So here's the bottom line. The Joe Rogan diet isn't about hunting elk. It's about eating smarter, prepping ahead, and fueling your body with protein, veggies, and real food that supports strength and energy after 40. Before you go, I want you to keep learning. Watch this video right here. Lose fat after 40. With these 7 rules, no diets needed. It's the perfect next step to build on what you've learned today. And don't miss the next video coming up soon, where I'll break down the 3 supplements every man over 40 should never skip if he wants to stay lean, strong, and energized. If you got value from this, check out more guides at DadBod40.com and drop a comment. What's one new protein source you're going to try this week? I read every comment. And hey, before you click away, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and join the DadBod40 community. We're building a brotherhood of men over 40 who refuse to slow down.